बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। उस्कूरुल जन्ना अला या ताइरल फिरदौसी कल्बी लका बुस्तान फफीहि ज़हर वल मा व फीहिल हुस्न फ़ैनान फ़गर्रिब फीहि मा शि'ता फ़इन्नल हुब्ब मिन्नान व फीहि मिनका अग़नाम व फीहि मिनका अलहान वलिल अशजारी। Page number 13, first word. If you have textbook, you can see first word has been written ashjan, moon, but it should be ashjar, tree. Okay. Walil ashjari awtar wanayatin ma'ida alaya tahir al-firdaw si inna syi'ra widda wa fi shadrika shi'run nafs la zulm wa la quwwata फला तअतद्दी बिन्नास फमा फिल खल्क़ि इंसान वजुदली मिनका बिश्शि'r फइन्ना फीहि इख्वान अला या ताहिरल फिरदौसी क़ल्बी मिनका वल्हान. Okay, very beautiful poem is. When you listen the translation and explanation, you will be surprised. Okay, so first I will discuss words meaning. The topic of the chapter is Uskurul Jannah. Uskur is singular and its plural is asafir. Asafir. Okay. Uskur, asafir, its meaning is sparrow, small bird. I think you have seen sparrow. And we can translate here just only bird. The bird of paradise. Jannah means paradise. Jannah. Okay. The bird of paradise. Now next one, starting the poem. Ala ya ta'ir al-firdaus qalbi laka bustan. Ta'ir tuyur. Ta'ir tuyur, its meaning is birds. Okay. Ta'ir tuyur, birds. Firdaus, that paradise. Firdaus, here it is used for the meaning of Jannah. Qalbi laka bustan. Qalbi, my heart. Qalbul qulub. Qalbul qulub. Qalb singular. Its plural is qulub. Okay. Qalbi laka bustan. Qalb means heart. Qalb means heart. Okay. Bustan basatin. Bustan singular. Its plural is basatin. Garden. Bustan means garden. Singular. And its plural is basatin. Next word. Fafihi zahru wal ma wa fihi al-husnu fainan. Okay, zahrun, azhar and zuhur. Two plurals are used for zahrun. Okay, one is azhar and second is zuhur. Azhar and zuhur. What does it mean? Flower. Ma'un, miyah. Okay, ma'un singular, plural is miyah. What does it mean? Water. Next word is husnun. Husnun, husun and aqsam. Again, its meaning is branches. Husun, husn means branches. Okay, husun, branches. Fainan, its meaning is long. Tawilun, long. Okay, fainan, what does it mean? Long, tawil. Next word is fagharrid fihi ma shi'ta. Gharrid, gharrada yugharridu. Gharrada yugharridu, its meaning is to sing. Okay, gharrada yugharridu, its meaning is to sing. Ma shi'ta, ma means whatever. Ma means whatever. Shi'ta, sha'a yasha'u. Sha'a yasha'u, its meaning is to want. It is to chahna. Okay. Fa'innal hubba minna. Hubbun means love, affection. Hubbun means love and affection. Mirna means resounding. Mirna means resounding. Next word. Wafihi minka angham. Nagma angham. Tune. Nagma angham. Tune and song. This is a plural of nagma. Okay, nagma. Next is wafihi minka angham lahnun. Tune. Lahnun Alhan, its meaning is tune. Got it? Now listen the translation of this page, then we will discuss next page. The topic of the chapter was Uskurul Jannah, the birds of paradise. The birds of paradise. So, Ala ya ma'il al-firdausi alfi laka bustan. Oh, the bird of paradise. Oh, the bird of paradise. Listen carefully, please. Oh, Ala ya ma'il. Allah. Allah. It is used to draw the attention of someone. So, Ala ya ma'il al-firdaus. Oh, the bird of paradise. Qalbi laka bustan, my heart is garden for you. My heart is garden for you. What does it mean? My heart is whole word for you. You can live here, you can play, you can sing, and whatever you want, you can do in my heart, because my heart is your word. Okay? Got it? Now next word, next sentence is فَفِيهِ الزَّهْرُ وَالْمَاءُ وَفِيهِ الْغُصْنُ فَيْنَانِ. How the garden is, what is in that garden, what is in that garden. Now all these points will be discussed later. Got it? So, فَفِيهِ الزَّهْرُ وَالْمَاءُ وَفِيهِ الْغُصْنُ فَيْنَانِ. There it has flowers, water, and long branches. Okay, it has flowers, waters, and long branches. What does it mean? Well, the poet said to the birds that my heart is your garden, and how the garden is. Normally, we see the garden branches, long trees are there, and water is there, branches are there. So, in all those things, birds used to fly here and there and used to sing here and there. So all these things are in my heart. Next sentence. فَغَرِّبْ فِيهِ مَا شِئْتَ. Then sing in it whatever you want. غَرِّبْ فِيهِ مَا شِئْتَ. غَرِّبْ is فعل amr. غَرِّبْ is فعل amr, and مَا شِئْتَ, that is فعل mazi. So sing in it whatever you want. Whatever you want.
You want.
Love is resounding. Love is resounding. As you know, when we used to be happy, suddenly something we used to sing and we used to recite. जब हम खुश होते हैं तो खुशी के मारे ऑटोमेटिकली हमारी ज़बान से कुछ अच्छी चीजें निकलने लगती हैं. If you love the Quran, just suddenly you start to recite the Holy Quran. और अगर आपको कुरान से मोहब्बत नहीं है बल्कि किसी और दुनियावी चीजों से या नात नज़म से मोहब्बत है, then you use to start the nazam, naat or songs when we used to be happy. Okay. Next, وَفِيهِ مِنْكَ أَنْهَارٌ وَفِيهِ مِنْكَ أَنْهَارٌ. Okay, and it has songs for you, and it has songs for you. وَفِيهِ مِنْكَ أَنْهَارٌ, and it has tune for you, and it has tune for you. Okay, got it? This page I think you got. Now next page. Walil ashjari. It is not ashjar, it should be ashjar. Okay? Walil ashjari awtarun wanayatun wa'idan. Wanayatun wa'idan. Ala ya ta'ir al-firdaus inna ash-shi'ra wijdan. Wa fi shadrika shi'run nafs la zulm wa buddan. Fala ta'taddi bin nas وما في الخلق إنسان وجدلي منك بالشعر فإنا فيه رضوان ألا يا طائر الفردوس قلبي منك والهان. Okay, now first listen the words meaning, then I explain. Ashjar, shajar singular, its meaning is ashjar. What does it mean? Tree. Its meaning is tree. Avtar. Avtar, that is plural and its singular is with root. Its singular is with root. Okay. Next, with root. Its meaning is string. Next, nayad with root singular and its singular is nadun. Its singular is tudun. Okay. Now listen to the words meaning again. Walil ashjar. This is a plural of shajar. What does it mean? Tree. Avtar. Singular is vidrun. Its meaning is string. String का क्या मतलब होता है? If you have seen lute or guitar, उसके ऊपर एक धागा बंधा हुआ होगा. Okay, that is called string. Next, naya, naun. Its meaning is flute. And idan, plural. Singular is udun. Its meaning is lute. Lute and flute. I think you have seen lute and flute. Okay. So that is lute. It's just only this type, and flute is normally this type. ओके, जैसे आपने देखा होगा, जिसे हम उर्दू में बांसुरी कहते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्लूट. और छोटा छोटा सा गिटार होता है, छोटा सा पियानो टाइप का, उसको कहा जाता है लूट. ओके, सो फॉर फ्लूट द वर्ड इज नाया एंड फॉर द लूट ईदुन. ओके, ऊदुन, ईदान. नाउ नेक्स्ट लाइन इज वफी अला याता इल firdaus inna shi'ra wijdan. Oh, the bird of paradise, songs have feelings. Songs have feelings. Okay. Now, inna shi'ra wijdan. Ala yaqa ila firdaus inna shi'ra wijdan. Wijdan means feeling. Wijdan means feeling. Okay. Next word. Wa fi shadbika shi'ru nafs la zulmun. Shadbun, its meaning is song or singing. Shadbun means also song or singing. Okay. Shi'ru nafs. Shi'ru nafs, you can translate these two words real poetry. Real poetry. Okay. Real poetry. Nafs, here it will be translated as real. Okay. And shi'r means poetry. So in your song, real poetry is, जब real poetry होगा तो क्या नहीं होगा? La zurun wa buhtan. Zurun, its meaning is lie or false, lie and false, and buhtan means blaming, defaming, blaming. इसको blame करना. Okay. Now next, fala ta'tal bin nas. I'tadda ya'tadu means i'tabara ya'tabiru. Its meaning is to rely on someone. To rely on someone. Fama fil khalqi insan. Khalq, here it is creator. Okay, creator, not creator. Creator is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we all are creatures. Insan means human being. Insan means human being. Wajud li minka bishya fa inna fihi ilman. Wajud li minka bishya fa inna fihi ilman. Ilman means brother. Ilman means brother. Okay. Now last sentence. Ala ya qa'il al-firdaus qalbi minka walhan. Walhan, its meaning is passionately in love. Passionately in love. Okay, affection, or you can say that fascinated towards something. किसी चीज की तरफ रागिब होना, बहुत ज्यादा किसी से मोहब्बत करना. Okay, so now yes, walil ashjar awtan wa ayatun wa'ilan. And trees have strings, flutes and lutes. These two words I have explained. I think you got. Flute, that is all in our languages, bansuri. Okay, that long type of instrument, and lute just small size of piano. You can say guitar, just छोटा size का guitar होता है, that is called lute. And for flute, Arabic word is nayun, nayar, and lute for lute, Arabic word is lutun, idan. Ala yata ila firdaus inna shi'ra bidlan. Oh, the bird of paradise, oh, the bird of paradise, song or poem has the feeling. Inna shi'ra bidlan. Wa fi shadrika shi'ra nafs. And there is real poetry in your song, in your singing, also in your song also. You can translate it both ways. So the real poetry lies in your singing. La zulm wa la buhtan. No false and no blaming is in your poetry. Fala ta'tad bin nas kama fil khalqi insan. Don't rely on human being. Don't rely on human being. Because there is no humanity in the creator. Okay, there is no humanity in the creator. Again, listen. Don't rely on any person. Don't rely on human being. Why? There is no humanity in the creator. Be sincere, be generous. Okay, Jada Yadu, Sahawat, Judo Saha, that is used in Urdu also, Judo Saha. Okay, so Wadudli Minkavishya, be sincere or be generous for me in your singing. Fa'inna fihi ikhwan, because we two are brothers. Because we two are brothers. Poet and birds. Why? Because both occupation is same. Birds used to sing and poet used to sing. Got it? That's why in both we are in same field, so both are brothers. Wajudli minka bishya, be generous. Okay, be sincere for me in your singing. Because we two are brothers. Alaya ta'il al-firdaus, oh, the bird of paradise, qalbi minka wal-an, there is passionately your love in my heart, or my heart is fascinated towards you. So in both ways you can translate. So my dear, we have